This is Zurich Insurance Company, which is part of Zurich Financial, a Swiss insurance giant. They came in and bought the short-term insurance company, previously known as SA Eagle. Old timers sitting watching the show today will be familiar with that brand. Market capitalization is 2.9 billion rand. It is not currently profitable at the most recent set of numbers. So accordingly, no price to earnings ratio, no dividend yield. It's one of those companies which one wonders why it's still listed, JP, because it's got an international parent who owns almost all of the shares. The liquidity on the market here is very, very limited. But, you know, 2.9 billion, I suppose, is not peanuts. It's a worthwhile company to talk about.
Yes, even though it might only be 10 to 15% of the 2.9 billion, which is actually tradable, which is not owned by Zurich in Germany, or Switzerland rather. But yes, this is an example of where short insurance can go wrong. If you just write business, you look for growth, you want to grow your premium income, and you don't really consider your underwriting margin. So for a few years now, they've made losses on the underwriting margin level, which is not good. You're paying out more premiums than what you are getting in. And for a year or two, the insurance operations propped that up. But then we saw that notwithstanding the profits that the investment operations deliver, it wasn't even sufficient to cover the losses in the underwriting division. So it shows you short-term insurance can be a great industry, but if you do it wrong, you will make losses.
And we haven't discussed them tonight, but I mean, there are some very good operators that are privately held, like Auto and General, Budget and so on, which Hollard indeed, which have got more than 10%. So those three players are always out there nipping at the heels. There's no time to sleep ahead of the wheel in this environment at all.
Correct, yes. And that's why some of the shifts in market share where we said some of the people were gaining, Outsurance, Discovery Insure, well, there must be a loser. So unfortunately for Zurich, they have been the loser.
Okay, good. And the share chart looks like, I don't know, some kind of Table Mountain situation going on there. Very limited. Share price stays the same for ages, so not of any interest. So not hot. Not hot. Not hot. Avoid.